All right, if I ask you to take this information right here based on a given vertex and one given point somewhere on the graph. Okay, so you're only given two pieces of information here. You should still be able to come up with the equation for this information, for this graph, in vertex form. And so here's the steps that you would take. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to enter the values for h and k into the vertex form. Okay, so if I took my vertex form, again, remember, is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so if I plug in my h and my k values, I'm going to get y equals a times x minus a negative 2 squared plus my k value, which is negative 3. Okay, so there's my first step. Step 2, what you're going to do is you're now going to plug in the given values for x and y, and you're going to solve for a. Okay, so if I plug in what's my known x and y coordinate? 0 and 5, so I can plug in a 5 for y, leave a as it is, plug in a 0 for x, and solve. So now as I solve for a, I can add 3 to both sides, giving me 8 is equal to a times 2 squared, which is 4. And so to isolate a completely, divide both sides by 4, and I get my a value to equal 2. Okay, once you find your a value, the last thing necessary is to plug that a value into the vertex form along with the h and k values, and you should get your equation. So if I take my equation here, y is equal to, my a value was 2, times the quantity x plus 2 squared minus 3, and so that is my equation. Okay, so I take my general form, plug in the given vertex, that finds 2 of the 3 pieces of unknown information you need. Then you're going to plug in the known, the given coordinate of x and y to solve for the remaining a. Once you have that a value, you can plug in your equation and solve.